In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate Unbounce landing page button. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a simple, eye-catching animation to your call to action so it attracts attention without distracting from your message. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Unbounce. This is a landing page builder, so we'll be working directly inside its editor. From the search results, click the official Unbounce website to head over to your account. Sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. If you manage multiple clients or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're in, locate the landing page you want to update. On the page card, click the ellipsis icon, that's the 3 dots, and choose Edit. This opens the page in the Unbounce visual editor. Inside the editor, find the button you want to animate. Click directly on the button element until you see a dotted outline around it. That dotted outline indicates the button itself is selected, not the text inside it or a surrounding group. If you accidentally select the text, just click again on the button's outer edge to switch focus to the full button element. With the button selected, look to the right-hand panel. That's the element panel, where you control properties for the item you've selected. Scroll down until you reach the Effect section. This is where animation options live for most elements within Unbounce. Choose Animation as the effect type. The moment you select it, you'll see a style drop-down with options like Bounce, Shake, or Swing. Each style has a slightly different feel. Bounce is playful and attention-grabbing. Shake suggests urgency or correction, and Swing adds a gentle motion that can feel more subtle. Pick the one that aligns with your brand tone and the action you want visitors to take. As a best practice, keep animations tasteful and minimal so they enhance, not overwhelm, your design. You can preview the motion directly in the editor, which is great for getting an instant feel for timing and emphasis. If it looks too lively, try a calmer style. If it's not noticeable enough, pick something with a bit more punch. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save to keep your changes, then Publish to push them live. After publishing, it's a good idea to view the page in a private or incognito window and on mobile to make sure the animation feels smooth and doesn't interfere with readability or clicks. That's it. Your Unbounce button now has a polished animation that draws the eye and supports conversions.